Hello guys, today we install the Audi Q5 2018-2020 Regional Car is 8.4-inch to upgrade HD Blu-ray screen 12.3-inch Android large screen. First, pry open the baffle of passenger on the right side. Take out these two screws. Open the storage box and take out these 3 screws. Continue to remove the 2 screws below the storage box. Then insert the car key into the main unit and take out the main unit. Take out the entire storage box and disconnect all cables. Pry open the central control decorative panel and take out these 6 screws. Open the cover of the shift lever and take out the screw inside. Then take out the screw from the card slot. First, pry open the MMI knob center control panel. Then take out the cigarette lighter panel and disconnect all connecting wires. Use the car key to take out the button control panel and disconnect the cable. Take out these 2 screws. Then take out the screw under the cap and open the cover. Take out the air conditioning control panel and disconnect all connecting wires. Take out these 3 screws. Open the plastic cover under the dashboard. Pry open the panel outlet of air conditioner. Disconnect all cables. Remove the 2 screws of fixed screen. Take out the screen and disconnect the cable. Take out the original car screen from the bracket. Then put our LVDS video adapter box and the original car bracket together and lock the screws. This is the screen connection cable and HDMI cable. Thread the cable from the co-pilot to the screen. Insert the screen connection cable, HDMI cable, and original car LVDS cable into the LVDS video adapter box. Return the bracket to the center console. Lock the screws and secure the bracket. This is the Android power cable. Unplug the original car host power socket. Connect with our Android power cable. Plug the HDMI cable, screen cable, and power cable into the Android host box. Restore the air conditioning panel and plug in all original car connecting cables. Connect the screen to the cable on the LVDS video adapter box. Lock the screws on the back. Then restore the original car air conditioning panel, button panel, cigarette lighter panel, and MMI knob central control panel in order. This is 4G antenna, GPS antenna, USB cable. Thread the USB cable into the storage box. Plug USB cable, GPS antenna, 4G antenna into Android host. 4G antenna and GPS antenna are installed in a location with good signal. Restore the central control decorative panel and storage box. Lock the screws and the installation is complete. Let us watch the effect. This is before installation. This is after installation. Screen not only to be large and resolution to be clearer and built in more applications and functions and operation to be more fluent.